Hey, I'm Ed from Bikerheadz, and today we're talking about this guy, the Segura Cannon Jacket. So again, here we've got the Segura Cannon Jacket, moving away from the plain black boring jackets of the past. We're going into a beautiful grey Segura material. So it's a mid-season jacket, it's fully waterproof, fully sea approved, abrasion resistant, burst resistant, tear resistant, all the things you expect, even though it's this sort of casual look. So let's talk about some of the materials. The extra of the jacket is made from a material called Segura, which feels like cotton, but is actually a fully abrasion resistant material, so you're going to get that slide time you need for a motorcycle jacket. Running down from the top, we've got neoprene around the top of the neck for extra comfort, double snap on the neck for adjustment around the top. All brass fittings fitted on the product as well, so it's nice quality feel and fittings. Custom brass zip pull down the front as well, so brass zip all the way down with a storm flap behind and a windproof flap behind. You can fold that flap back for the summer, that allows some airflow through the zip, and then for winter, for waterproof, you want to fold that back across, that's going to keep you nice and dry. Chest pocket with again a brass zipper running down the front for some extra storage and a patch pocket on the other side. Down the bottom we've got two hand warmer pockets, again brass fittings down there, super comfortable, very nice quality. If we spin it around to the side, you can see that down the arm here we've got a double layer of Segura down the arm, with a quilt effect running down there as well for design style, and a little pocket on the arm for a bit more storage. On the cuff we've got double snap, brass fittings again to match up throughout the whole product. So there's these little details with Segura that are getting it just right. Little 70 logo as well, again, little details just bringing the product to life. We spin it around to the back, whole piece Segura down the back, so huge amount of abrasion resistance down there, and quilting around the bottom with adjusters to tuck it in nice and tight. As I say, this is a waterproof jacket, so that'll just help pull the bottom of the jacket in, stop any water riding up there. Spinning it back round, if you open it up, you've got a lovely grey quilted liner, thermal alu. As you know, the Segura product is super warm. Thermal alu means you've got the thermal backing, and then you've got an aluminium lining as well. Your aluminium is going to reflect the heat back into the jacket, so it's giving back into your body, giving you a nice warm toasty jacket in the winter. In the summer, you zip that one out, and you've got VW Tech 100 Plus waterproof membranes. The jacket's still waterproof with the lining out. The lining is simply thermal. Inside, you've got a pocket on the inside attached to the membrane, and then when you've got the lining in, you've got the pocket there as well, so you're not losing any storage space. Pocket at the top here, that's where your mobile phone's going to live. That's going to give you your waterproof area for your mobile phone. As you can see, you've got the grey backing here, matching the grey on the outside. Little detailings, again, bringing that product to life. Flicking it open, grey pocket on the inside, this side as well, so again, a little bit more storage. So that's Segura Cannon Jacket, fully sea approved. Elbow protectors, shoulder and elbow. The elbow protectors available, adjustable to two different positions. As I say, sea approved, and the 3-year Segura warranty is available from Bikerheadz.co.uk if you extend it. For any more information on this, go to Bikerheadz and check out all the pictures.